What if accessing a variable throws a reference error even though it's declared in the same scope? This is the temporal dead zone. When JavaScript enters a block or function scope, it scans all declarations before executing any code. For let and const, the variable exists in the engine's awareness from the very start of the scope, but it's uninitialized. The gap between scope entry and the actual declaration line is the temporal dead zone. And this is where var behaves differently. All three, var, let, and const, are hoisted to the top of their scope. But var is immediately initialized to undefined, so you can access it before its declaration without errors. Let and const, however, remain in an uninitialized state during the TDZ. Hoisting happened, but initialization is deferred. Accessing a variable in the TDZ throws a reference error. JavaScript doesn't return undefined, it actively refuses. Look at this example. Logging mylet before the let declaration throws a reference error immediately. But logging myvar before its var declaration just prints undefined. No error. After the declarations, both work fine. This distinction matters for debugging. A reference error in this context almost always means you've hit the temporal dead zone. The temporal dead zone is the window between scope entry and declaration. Access let or const inside it and you get a reference error. Follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.